Hey everyone, so most of the time broadband is just something that runs in the background. You don't think about it until it starts slowing down or the price goes up or you try to get help and end up stuck waiting on hold. And once that stuff starts happening, it's hard not to wonder if there's something better out there. That's what led me to try YouFibre. I've had it running at home for a while now, and in this video, I'll walk you through what the whole thing's actually been like, from the install to how it's handled heavier use, to what it's like dealing with support when something goes off. So if you've been thinking about switching, hopefully this gives you a clearer picture. Okay, so to start with, I went with their 1800 megabit plan, and honestly, it is the fastest setup I've ever used at home. Even with both my wife and I working remotely, video calls, big downloads, streaming in the background, it has never once felt like it was struggling. Now, they do have a few other plans depending on what you need. The lowest one gives you 150 megabits per second. Then they go all the way up through 500, 900, 1800, and all the way up to 7,000 on their top tier. I can't imagine what you would be doing with 7 gigs a second, but it is there if you want it. What's nice is that all the plans are symmetrical, so upload speed matches download. Not every provider offers that, and it makes a big difference if you're sending big files, backing stuff up, or on a lot of calls. It just keeps everything smooth. The router they gave me runs on Wi-Fi 7 and has more than enough juice to cover the whole house, even out in the yard. Smartphones, smart TVs, tablets, laptops, none of it slows down. But if you got a huge place or there are some dead spots, they've got some mesh upgrades that can help cover those gaps. Plus, getting set up was simple. We booked a time, they showed up on schedule, and ran the fiber into the house. It was all live within the hour. I didn't have to configure anything. And since then, I haven't thought about it once. The speeds have stayed steady, the connection's strong in every room, and it hasn't needed any attention. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Okay, now one of the reasons I gave YouFibre a try in the first place was the pricing.
The 1800 megabit plan I'm on is just under £65 a month, and that includes the router with no setup fee.
But more importantly, the price doesn't go up partway through the contract. It stays the same. And the rest of the lineup is pretty straightforward.
The 150 megabit plan is $33.99 a month. Then it moves up to $40.99 for 500, $43.99 for 900, and if you want the top end 7000 megabit option, that'll be at $129.99.
All of them come with free installation and unlimited data. Now, most people go with the 18-month plan. That's what I did because it locks in the price, but if you're not feeling it, they do have a rolling monthly option. It's just going to be a bit more expensive because there's no long-term commitment. They've also made it pretty easy to switch over. If you're still under contract somewhere else, they'll cover the early cancellation fee. Just send them the bill, they'll refund you. And if you find a better price for the same speed, they'll match it. And hey, if you're thinking about giving YouFibre a try, I'll drop a link in the description and down in the comments, and that'll get you whatever's the best deal at the moment, something you probably won't actually even see on their homepage, so feel free to check that one out if you're interested. And plus, a few times I've needed support, it's actually been decent. I called and got someone right away. They were based in the UK and they actually knew how to help without, reading from a script. And it's available 24/7 too. Fortunately, I have not had to need it in the middle of the night, but it's good to know someone's there if something goes wrong. That said, nothing really has. I've had it running for a while now. I haven't seen a single outage. No slowdowns in the evenings, no fuzzing out on Zoom calls. It stayed solid, which honestly is not something I'm used to. And I checked it out online. YouFibre's got a 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot across tens of thousands of reviews. So it's not just me. They also include a minimum speed guarantee. So if your connection ever drops below what you're paying for, report it in and they'll either sort it out quickly or credit your account to make up for it. Now, I haven't run into any issues, so this isn't one I've tested out myself, but it's really nice to know that it exists. Now, I actually was on a Virgin Media plan before this, and the speeds were fine for the most part, but the consistency just wasn't there. In the evenings, things would slow down. Uploads took forever, and when you're working from home or sending large files regularly, that kind of drop off starts to matter. With YouFibre, it just stayed stable. Uploads finished quickly, calls didn't lag. I wasn't constantly checking the connection or restarting the router. The biggest difference, though, was in pricing. My Virgin contract started at £24, but ended up closer to $40 after a couple of mid-contract increases. With YouFibre, the price I signed up for is still the price I'm paying. Plus, of course, there's the support. I remember spending close to an hour on hold with Virgin over just a billing issue. That has not been the case here. When I've needed to get in touch, I've gotten through quickly and had any issues resolved. And overall, this has been the first provider I've ever used where I haven't had to think about the internet once it was set up. It's fast, it's stable, and I know what I'm paying. Support's been easy to reach when I needed it, and I haven't run into any of the issues that made me want to switch in the first place. So if you're in a spot where your internet provider keeps giving you problems, whether that's outages, confusing bills, or just not being able to talk to someone when something breaks, this is going to be a huge step up. And if you're thinking about giving it a try, I'll drop that link in the description and in the comments too. And like I said, that'll take you to their current offers, and usually there's a better deal there than anything you'd find on their main site. Now, if this was all helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop those below. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.